Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on and use voice typing on iPhone 12. Let's go! So all we need to do is we go to settings, then we scroll down a little bit, we click general, then we scroll down a bit again and look for keyboard, which is right here. Then we scroll down and here we have dictation. Let's enable dictation. Enable dictation. Okay, you can choose the dictation language. As you can see, I will use English, so it doesn't matter, but you may prefer other languages. Okay, we will use notes, so you can see. Okay, and you click here. Hello guys, I'm 18 years old. I'm recording this video for you so you can know how to use voice typing on iPhone 12. As you can see, it picks up my voice pretty fast and good. It doesn't do any errors. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.